How's it T.O.B family? Welcome to yet another episode of our videos. Our subject for today is the Soundcore Q11i over-ear wireless headphones. It was released in November of 2024 and the price is 949 rands, equivalent to 50 US dollars. Some of the features of this headphone include a high-res audio for high resolution when connected via the aux cable, a bass-up technology, a one-touch bass-up button that enhances low frequencies, making it perfect for bass-heavy genres. A 60-hour playtime, you get 60 hours of listening time with a quick 5-minute charge, providing 4 hours of playback. Detachable ear cushions. The ear cushions or earmuffs can be removed and replaced for extended durability and comfort. A multi-point connection. You get a seamless connect and switch between two devices without needing to connect manually, and many more. Now I know what you're thinking, why do I need another headphone? Why not just get the same one that I had before? Well, I'm not sure I have the answers to those questions, so while you're racking your brain for that answer, we'll continue with the video. So when you open up the box, this is what you'd find. A little manual book, put that to the side. You have a USB Type-C charging cable, a 3.5mm aux cable, a carry pouch or a bag that feels like tissue paper. I don't know what we're supposed to do with that, but let's move on. And finally, the Soundcore Q11i over-ear wireless headphones. First thing I can say is it's built well. I won't especially expect it to last forever, but I think it can take a beating. Smooth matte finish, leather wrappings on the headband and earmuffs, simple yet plain design. Like I said, it's built well. Flexible yet sturdy, soft earmuffs cover your ears completely. Several joints allow for movement around the speakers, and this will also aid comfort. All the controls you need for this are on the right speaker. Included is the famous bass up button. Stick around because we'll find out together what it sounds like to push that button. Putting this on feels like sitting on marshmallows. Very comfortable. The earmuffs cover your ears completely. It's a pity it is not an active noise cancelling headphone. The tension on the headband is just right. Like a hug to your head. You can definitely wear this for a long time. Pairing this is very easy. Firstly, turn on your headphone. Go to your Bluetooth settings and search for the headphone in the available list. Choose the Soundcore Q11i and boom, it's paired. Easy as pie. Now let's look through the app and see what's about. Let us look through the app right now and let's see what it has to offer. Let's just remember something, just a quick disclaimer. Let us remember that this is not an active noise cancelling headphone, so we are not going to have that option of the active noise cancelling on the app. And secondly, since most of the controls are already on the device itself, we're also going to get less of those options on the app. So mostly this app is just going to be geared towards sound. So let us just see what it has to offer us. First of all, we've got our sound effects. We've got bass booster here, and we've got a default and custom, yes. And then we have our signature Soundcore sound. You could just take that and just enjoy it. If you don't want, you've got other options. We've got acoustic, we've got bass booster, we've got bass reducer, classical, and more. When you click more, you get way more options as it relates to sound. You've got R&B, rock, small speakers, 22 of them I think, go crazy. If you don't like those sounds, you can just create yours. Yes, you just create your sound if you don't like it. If you're like me, you probably just head here first instead of going through the others. But if you don't know what you want it to sound like, just pick something nice from the group there, from the presets there, and you are good. We've got dual connections. Now this column shows you how many devices the earphone is connected to. Remember, this is a multi-point connection headphone, so you can connect it to 2 devices at the same time, but you can only listen to one at a time. You don't have 4 sets of ears. All right, we've got the auto power on. Yeah, these are for people that forget to switch it off when they're done listening to whatever they do. You can set it to never if you remember to switch it off, or you could just set it for 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 90 minutes, or 120 minutes. Your choice. We've got a firmware update and serial number. So that's just about it. That's about it. I believe there's more they could have done with this, but you know, this is what they gave to us. Let's hope they'll make up for it when it comes to sound. So let's go listen to some music and let us see what this beautiful thing sounds like. Let's go. After listening to this for a while, this is what I think. Great sound. Great sound. It's bass heavy. If you're a bass head, this is the one for you. It is bass heavy, but everything else kind of balances with everything else. Great separation of sound. You can pick out the individual sound from it. It is very good. I think you'd love this when you're watching your movies or playing any music that is bass heavy. If you are a bass head, really, this is the one for you. It is really good. I like it. I think I'll give it a very strong 9 out of 10. Yes, I will give it a strong 9 out of 10. It is very, very good sound. Very good sound. And when you're on the phone, this is what the mic sounds like. Howzit T.O.B family, this is a mic test of the Soundcore Q11i over-ear wireless headphones, and as you can hear, this is how your voice would sound when you are on a call. I'm speaking in normal tone with minimal background noise. It is clear, it is crisp, and it is distortion free. Clear enough for your phone calls and gaming needs, but you tell me, what do you think? Will this work for your calls, gaming, or meetings? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Let's move on. Right, so go to the comment section and tell me what you think about it. Comment section. Alright, let us talk pros and cons. And my first pro is the battery life. Now, 60 hours of playtime at 50% volume on any measure, that is great. Because you also get a fast charging too, because every 5 minutes of charge you get 4 hours of play. That is great. So yeah, the battery life, first pro. Now, my second pro is the sound quality. Wow, it is really great. Like I said earlier on, very, very nice bass heavy punchy sound. It is very, very good. I think you would love it when you're watching your movies or something. Really good sound. I like it. My second pro, sound quality. Now for my third and last pro on this one is the earmuffs. Very, very soft earmuffs, and they're interchangeable too. What that means is you can take them off and you can just get a new one and just include this. How you take it off, you push down and you twist it to the side and it comes off. See, now you can put it back the same way. Just put it in and twist it in, and there you go. Now I think this comes in several colors, I think, so you can get other colors and you can, you know, spice it up or something. That is very good. So yeah, the earmuffs, my third pro. Alright, for my first con, no active noise cancelling. I mean, this is an over-ear headphones. Take advantage of it. It's hard these days not to have active noise cancelling in your headphones. Active noise cancelling is not a new thing. I mean, everybody expects it to be there. So this is an over-ear headphones, which means it covers your ears. So you might as well just take advantage of it and include active noise cancelling in it. So that's a con for me. No noise cancelling. And also for my last con, just for the sake of this video, my last con is also the same earmuffs that was a pro. Reason why, I don't think it will last very long. It is very plush, very soft, but the material used to make it, to wrap it, is very, very light pleather. I don't think this will last very long. So I think probably that's why it's interchangeable. They really want you to buy more of the earmuffs. So yeah, that's the con for me at least. So let's summarize. For the price of 949 rands, which is about 50 US dollars, give or take, would I get this? Yes. Despite everything I've said about the cons and everything, I still think it's a great headphone to have. I think the sound is worth it. I think the comfort also, it's worth it. I think that if you really want something like that, you can get it. I think it's a good choice. Yes. So at that price, yeah, I'll get it. I'll take it. Thank you for watching the video up till the end. Don't forget to like and share. If this is your first time here, click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified when we put out a new video. If there's something you'd like to see on this channel, leave it in the comment section or send me an email. Until next time, take care.